In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print brochure from Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional brochure ready to hand out or mail using Canva's built-in export and your computer's print dialog. Start by opening Canva and choosing a template. If you already have a design in mind, search for brochure to narrow things down. Look for a layout that matches your purpose, like a trifold or bifold, and make sure the size fits your needs, such as US letter or A4. It helps to preview multiple pages so you can see how the panels flow when folded. Once you've found the right template, select the brochure you want to use. Customize the text, colors, and images as needed. Keep text away from edges to avoid accidental trimming. And if your background runs to the edge, extend it slightly past the page to account for bleed. This will help you get clean, edge-to-edge color when printed. When your design looks good, go to the top of the Canva editor and click Share. This is where you'll find all the options for exporting your file. In the Share menu, choose Download. This moves you into the file settings for saving your design to your computer. Change the file type next. For printing, switch from the default option to a high-quality format. This ensures crisp text and accurate colors. Select PDF, EV, Print. This is the best choice for professional-looking brochures because it preserves vector text and high-resolution images. If your design goes to the edge, you can enable bleed and crop marks here so your printer knows exactly where to trim. Double-check that all pages are included. Click Download and give Canva a moment to prepare your file. Larger brochures may take a few extra seconds to process. After the download finishes, open the PDF from your browser or your Downloads folder. Most browsers will display it in a new tab, which makes printing straightforward and consistent across devices. A new tab will appear with the PDF viewer. Review each page to confirm alignment, image quality, and margins before you print. In the upper right corner of the viewer, click the print icon. In the print dialog, choose double-sided or duplex printing if your brochure is two-sided. For most landscape brochures, select Flip on short edge to keep front and back panels aligned. For portrait brochures, flip on long edge is typically correct. Set scale to 100% or actual size to avoid shrinking. Pick the correct paper size and select a heavier paper stock in your printer settings if available. Print one test copy, check folds and alignment, then print the full run.